Там все правила написано.
Я не видел.
This is my gift for you for Valentine's Day.
Oh, thank
Our
you.
picture together.
We'll put it on the refrigerator
Yes.
along with all the other magnets.
Yes. So when you're mad at me, just look at this picture and think about Valentine's Day.
I don't know if I caught that or not.
Huh?
I don't know if I got it on the video or not.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, should we go skating some more?
Yeah. But we should go to that building in 10 minutes too.
It's starting to snow.
Huh?
It's starting to snow here.
Okay, good.
Are you cold?
Are you?
No. I don't know why. It's like probably minus 18 right now. I should be cold.
It was minus 30, so minus 15 is like nothing.
That's true. Can you do a trick? Don't fall on your butt.
You can be lost in my lap.
Woo! Here we go. Вот моя девушка. I'm sure the camera is shaking too much. So much beautiful things here. It's cold though. Very cold. Oh shit. Oh. Olga, hold on. Uh-oh. It's like a traffic accident. Alright. I'm trying to film and skate at the same time. It's not so easy. I'm filming this. I'll put it on YouTube later. Oh, Jesus. Woohoo! Nice. Nice. I love the lights. Okay. Gotta turn this off.